Welcome to our guide on 5 clever ways to save money every month. Whether you're saving for a big goal or just want to build your savings, these tips will help you achieve financial stability. First, start with a budget. Track your income and expenses using apps or spreadsheets. Allocate funds for essentials like bills and groceries, then set aside a portion for savings. Review your subscriptions. Cancel services you don't use often. Opt for free alternatives or bundle services for discounts. This simple step can save you hundreds annually. When shopping, compare prices online and use coupons or cashback apps. Buy generic brands for everyday items. Plan meals to avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste. Save on utility bills by using energy-efficient appliances and LED bulbs. Adjust your thermostat seasonally and unplug devices not in use. Small changes add up to significant savings. Consider DIY projects for home maintenance and upgrades. You'll save on labor costs and learn new skills. Plus, DIY often lets you customize to your taste without overspending. Incorporating these tips into your monthly routine can help you save money consistently. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow over time. Happy saving! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. What are your favorite money-saving tips? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.